Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of parametric speaker cabinet design. This blog post details a multi-year project culminating in some truly elegant 3D printed speakers. It's a wild ride.
Wow, sounds intense. So what's the core innovation here? Is it just the shape, or is there more to it?
It's the complete package. The author, Cal Bryant, designed these speakers to be fully parametric, meaning you can adjust almost every dimension, driver size, enclosure volume, even the overall shape, all within the same design framework. He used OpenSCAD, a code-based CAD system, which is pretty hardcore.
Code-based CAD? That's unusual. What are the advantages of that approach? I'm intrigued.
Exactly. The big advantage is the complete control and repeatability. Once the code is written, you can generate different speaker designs with just a few parameter changes. It's incredibly efficient for experimentation. But it also presents some unique challenges, as Cal found out.
Oh yeah? What kind of challenges?
OpenSCAD, being CSG-based and not BREP, made some aspects, like precisely placing screw holes, a real headache. He had to resort to some clever trigonometry to get it right. It's a testament to his dedication.
So he basically programmed the speaker's geometry? That's amazing! But how did he actually build them? Did he use a CNC router, as one might expect?
Initially, yes, that was the plan. But, after a year of wrestling with a temperamental Mach 3 controller, he switched gears. He realized he could 3D print the entire thing. Can you believe it?
No way! 3D printing speaker cabinets? That's a bold move. What material did he use?
PLA filament. He even calculated the infill to match the density of MDF, which is pretty clever. But the printing process wasn't without its own set of hurdles. He had some serious bed adhesion issues initially. It was a real roller coaster.
I see. So after all that, he had a bunch of 3D- printed speaker parts. What was the assembly process like?
He used epoxy glue and cleverly designed screw holes to align and clamp the panels during assembly. This is where the parametric design really shines. The screw holes are precisely calculated, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Ingenious!
That's brilliant! But 3D printed speakers. Wouldn't they look, 3D printed? Did he do any finishing?
Oh, absolutely. He sanded them extensively, used filler to smooth out the surface, and then sprayed them with a textured bed liner paint. The final result is surprisingly sleek and doesn't look DIY at all. It's truly remarkable.
So the final product. Elegant, fully parametric, 3D printed speakers. But how do they actually sound?
Great. Absolutely great. He initially used an older amplifier that struggled with the third-order crossover, but after upgrading to a Fosi V3, the sound quality was phenomenal. He even measured the frequency response to ensure proper driver phasing. A true audiophile.
This is incredible. A truly impressive project. It showcases the power of parametric design and the versatility of 3D printing. Thanks for sharing this fascinating story.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Join us tomorrow for another exciting deep dive into the world of technology. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.